What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey. It's so funny. Wait, which one am I going to? Oh, this one. I just got caught up in driving and I forgot to even do my intro. So that's why I was a little quiet in the beginning. But what's up, guys? Got a quick little highway POV. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. When you guys see this, it's gonna be sometime end of July, because I have a bunch of other content to post for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy that content. But yeah, I'ma just play some music, vibe out with you guys. Yeah, we're gonna take it from there. I haven't come this way in such a long time. Now, let's see.
There you go.
Where you going? You with your friends? I don't like them. I'm just saying, they ain't right, and I can see it. Now one of them got a man. Now one of them got a plan. Now one of them fucking with you. Now one of them driving Benz. Now one of them try to fuck me, but I can't let you be embarrassed. Why the hell you at the club though when we can be in Paris? Why the hell you go outside? I'm trying to fuck, girl, start a family. You can be with me while I'm locked in here trying to make this ground. Oh yeah, baby, I'm the man. You know that. The bitch with you now. You know that. Come here with your man. Don't go back fucking up our plans shit. We can be in Paris shit. Oh, they come in Paris shit. And roll some embarrassment. It's supercharged Grand Cherokee. That nigga driving Nissan come and get you. I embarrassed them. Hopping in the loud, trying to get us in. Don't ask me where I been. They ain't ready for this like we little girl. I can't let them in. Girl, you match my flight, this ain't designer. You gotta let them in. I let you go with them every time, but baby, never again. I can open you a restaurant, Jamaican, Mexican. I don't need you hanging out with bitches that you better than. And I don't need you hanging out at all. That's something you better than. I'm serious. I ain't hanging on no bitch. That's something I never did. I'm curious. Why they got you outside hanging with them other men? I'm furious. If I ask you, girl, don't tell me that your brother them. I period. If I ask you, girl, don't tell me you right. What you doing? Where you been? Where you going? You with your friends? I don't like them. I'm just saying, they ain't right. And I can see it. Now one of them got a man. Now one of them got a plan. Now one of them fucking with you. Now one of them driving Benz. Now one of them try to fuck me, but I can't let you be embarrassed. Why the hell you at the club though when we can be in Paris? Why the hell you go outside? I'm trying to fuck, girl, start a family. You can be with me while I'm locked in here trying to make this ground.
Young niggas know better, no cheese, no cheddar. We can start with your homies telling me I deserve better. We can start with your homies telling me writing love letters. You got bigger fish to fry, baby, what you better know? You're not just anybody. Yeah, you back to better. You ain't fucking with just anybody. Mine's the fattest. All my company, just don't be what I'm on. But they'll be there if you decide to kick on. One time did I leave for the club, and my spare time is when I'm showing up. Then once, then I did my parents and kids. I just said I'm in my 20s, so shit. So I'ma get love if I want to. Baby, no, I'ma spend how I want to.
I want them driving Benz. They don't want to try to fuck me, but I can't let you be embarrassed.
It just takes a sip. The day is brighter, the sun feels sunnier, the music gets louder. The vibes get, summerier? Well, wherever you're headed, one ice-cold sip of any Starbucks summer drink, and you're on summertime. Order on the app today.
This truck smells terrible. I don't know what he got in there. The smell that's coming through these windows is ridiculous. It smells crazy.
Walking like a boss, I'm faded. Fuck tens, I'm basic. Try to Addy, I'm close, so I'm racist. Early morning jumping out the jet, I'm jaded. I was down bad on my dick, I was praying. Fuck about me, now they know me, I'm famous. Shit tough, cooking and shot, no aimless. Finna drop the dub on the Birkin. Swipe credit card one time, shit working. I dropped about 100 on purses. Chanel bag in the bag, it's twerking. Fat ass over here coming working. Yeah, gonna dick, she gon' spit out the slurp. Shawty tell me I look better in person. Worth it, she said it, she certain. dropping these calling and curtains. Baby, I'm rich and the bitch get the birdie. I'm in that Pagani, I'm swerving. All of my haters are probably hurting. They call me, that shit made me chuckle. I got a tight rap on my silence. Get a chrome heart gloves by the cover my knuckles. Hop had it pop like a bubble. Walking like a boss, I'm faded. Fuck tens, I'm bad. Try the Audi, I'm cross, I'm racing. Early morning jumping out the jet, I'm jaded. I was down bad on my dick, I was praying. About me, now you know me, I'm famous. Shit tough, cooking and shot, no aiming. Walking like a boss, I'm faded. Fuck tens, I'm bad. Try the Audi, I'm cross, I'm racing. Early morning jumping out the jet, I'm jaded. I was down bad on my dick, I was praying. About me, now you know me, I'm famous. Shit tough, cooking and shot, no aiming. Conversation, good love, good sex, communication. Just when I'm down, gotta be going through these phases.
at Palm Beach Gardens, man. I like Palm Beach Gardens because it's so chill here. Like, a lot of retirement people here. A lot of like, Palm Beach Gardens is always nice. And there's always so many places to eat here, like shopping, everything you need. I always like Palm Beach Gardens ever since I moved to Florida 2 years ago. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this POV. I want to keep bringing this shit for you guys because it's always good and everyone likes the POV, so. And it's funny, you never realize like you're driving somebody's dream car, you know? Like, even though I might be used to the C8 already and I love it still, but I'm already used to it, but you don't realize like this could be somebody's dream car, you know? And I think it's always good to be humble and remind yourself, no matter what car you have, you're driving somebody's dream car, right? Whatever car that may be. So but yeah, guys, I hope you all have an amazing day today. I hope you continue to do great things out there. And yeah, man, please make sure to give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.